To make your phone faster. Yes, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make your phone faster if it is slow. So without wasting much of your time, let's start. So you just go to settings, your phone settings, okay? Then you scroll down, to the bottom and you find about phone. Okay, now we have, as you can see, we have developer option. Now when you open the settings, you not see the developer options here, okay? But what you are going to see, that you see the about phone. So you click on about phone and you scroll down to software information. Okay, so you tap on software information. Then after that you comes to builder number. So all you have to do is that you just tap on this builder number for a couple of times and you'll be given a message. So as you can see, no need, developer mode has already been activated. So as you can see, I have set mine. So you just have to tap the developer number for about 7 times. Okay, now each time you tap, you'll be notified on the number of types left for you to be a developer. Now after that, you just go back and then you go back again, and then you subscribe to this channel for more video. So after that, you see this developer option here, then you just hit on the developer option. Okay, now when it opens like this, when the developer option opens like this, you just have to scroll down and do these settings as I am going to do. Okay, so you just scroll down, so once we are scrolling down, please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, just do well to subscribe to this channel and share the video. So you see this one option, 3 options here. You see window animation skill, transition animation skill, and animator duration skill. So all this one, you just tap the first one and then you put it at animation skill at 0.5 or you put it off. Okay, whether you animation off or at 0.5, good. And then you comes to transition animation, the same way, you put it at 0.5 or it is off, you put it off. And then the last one, which is animator duration skill, you also put it at 0.5 or you off it. So after doing that, you see that your phone will be running very fast. Guys, this is what I have for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye.